हिस्ट्री ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल। तो हमने पीरियोडिक टेबल की डेफिनेशन भी पढ़ी थी कि अरेंजमेंट ऑफ एलिमेंट इन टेबुलर फॉर्म। Arrangement of element in tabular form is called periodic table. Now, this periodic table have various. One is the Varnier triads. Second one is Newland law octave. Third one is Lothar-Meyer classification. Fourth one is Mendeleev, and fifth one is Moseley or modern पीरियोडिक टेबल। क्या क्या पढ़ा हमने? दोभार्नियर सिस्टम में हमने पढ़ा एलिमेंट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड इन ट्रायड एंड एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ वन एंड थर्ड एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू द एवरेज वेट ऑफ द सेकंड एलिमेंट। न्यूलैंड लॉ में क्या पढ़ा हमने कि द आफ्टर एवरी 8 एलिमेंट्स द पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज after every 8 element periodic properties similar to that of the first one. It means lithium resemble with sodium, similarly magnesium resemble with calcium, beryllium resemble with magnesium. It means after every 8 element the properties reoccur. Lothar-Meyer and Mendeleev's work on the same year 1869. Their work doesn't publish, but Mendeleev work published in 1905. And according to both the systems, when we arrange the elements according to their atomic weight, the the element having same properties are grouped together, and element having dissimilar are separated from one another. Now, according to this, Mendeleev gave the periodic law, and what is periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of an element is the periodic function of their atomic weights. Now, according to this Mendeleev system of the classification, there are 8 groups and 7 periods. Beside that, it separated the noble gases from other elements. Periodic table, in the Mendeleev periodic table, some of the elements remain undiscovered. Mendeleev put some space instead of filling them. It means this Mendeleev periodic table put some spaces, give the systematic classification of the elements, and how much element at that time? There are 56 elements. Now we can come to the Moseley 1913 gives the modern periodic table. What Moseley told, when the frequency of X-ray are bombarded to an element, the emitted energy is directly proportional to their atomic number. So the concept of atomic weight should be changed into the atomic number. It means the Moseley or modern periodic table told the physical and chemical properties of an element is the periodic function of their atomic number. So this is also called as the long form of the periodic table, and in this periodic table elements there are 115 elements. These elements are divided into various blocks. Named S, P, D and F block elements. Now, therefore it includes 7, periods and 18 groups. It means each group start with different quantum number, different quantum number, and it includes 18 group. Group 1 to 2 is S block. Group 3 to 14, 3 to 12 is D block, and 14 to 18 is, sorry, 13 to 18 is D block. Now these S and T called representative elements. Representative elements are main group elements, and D block is called transition elements. And beside that, there is one series which will be called 4D, 5D, sorry, 4F, 5F is called inner transition series. It is inside the D block elements. Now we can come to what are S block elements. What are S block elements? What are S block elements? It means the element in which filling of NS subshell takes place. It includes NS1, NS2. NS1 is called alkali and NS2 is called alkaline earth metals. Now these all are metallic in nature, low boiling and melting point. They are strong reducing agents. It means they give flame test. Another one, they are univalent or bivalent in nature. Similarly, P block elements, those elements in which the outermost electron enter into NP126 and S2 are called P block elements. Now in these elements include boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, or oxygen family, fluorine and halogen. Noble gases. These are divided into 6 groups: boron family, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, noble gas. It includes all changes from metallic to non-metallic, metallic to non-metallic, and their behavior similarly changes from reducing to oxidizing agents. Similarly, they have high ionization energy. High means to lose the electron from the outermost shell, we require more energy. We are called ionization energy, and they show various oxidation states, and they are metalloid. Few of them are metalloid in nature. Beside that, we have D block elements. D block, in which those elements in which outermost electron into n minus 1 d orbital ns 1 to 2. This is the electronic configuration. All D block elements are metallic in nature. Their character are in between S and P block elements. Their characteristics are changes from S to P block, so we can call transition elements. Another one, they used as catalyst in various industrial application. They show various oxidation states, and they are D block elements divided into 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D transition series. 3D start from atomic number 12 to 13, 39 to 48, 72, 70, 72 to 80, then 89, 104 to 11, 12. Then these 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, this series is incomplete. Beside that, we have F block elements. F block elements. In F block element, they are all metallic in nature. Metallic in nature. Now, they are called inner transition elements. Inner transition elements, they involve filling up n minus 2 f n d 1 to 2 n s 2. It is the outermost electronic configuration of elements.